Custom points of interest, or POIs, help you mark job sites, client locations, and key areas for tracking your fleet. In this video, we'll walk through how to set up a POI, assign it to a customer, and use it for dispatching jobs. Let's get started. First, log into Razor Tracking at razortracking.com. Once logged in, open the Management drop-down menu and select Points of Interest. This is where you'll create and manage all your POIs. To add a new POI, click Add New POI to open the creation form. Here, you'll need to enter a few key details. Start by entering a recognizable name like Green Lawn Care, Customer 1. Next, enter the physical address of the location. Make sure the Active checkbox is selected if you want this POI to be available immediately. Then, assign it to a specific customer using the Customer drop-down menu. Finally, choose the appropriate type from the list: client, delivery, depot, field, job, or office. Next, you can set up a geofence for the POI. First, enter a geofence name that clearly defines the area. Then, choose your preferred geofence type. If you select Radius, click on the map to set the center point and enter the radius in miles. Or, if you need a more customized shape, select Polygon and manually draw a boundary around the location. Once everything is set, click Finish to create the POI. You can also create a POI by right-clicking where you'd like to place your POI. Then, click Create POI here. This is a great feature to use when you're viewing the vehicle map history, since it will make creating POIs for your past applications easy. Now, let's assign this POI to a job. Navigate to Dispatch and Jobs in the main menu. Under Point of Interest, select the POI you just created. Then, click Job Scheduling to assign the job to an employee. Once assigned, the employee will see the job in the Razor Tracking app. After completing the task, they'll mark the job as complete in the app. This automatically notifies the dispatcher, and you can verify the update by going to Dispatch and Jobs and checking the jobs list, where the job will now appear as completed. To pull proof of service data, go to Reports in the main menu and select Geofence Enter/Exit. This report provides details on when equipment entered and exited the POI, along with recorded activities such as spraying, idle time, or movement. This feature serves as proof of application for customers and audits, ensuring completed work is accurately tracked. And that's it. By creating points of interest, you can track job locations, assign work more efficiently, and generate reports for proof of service.